So beauties, these are the products which I'm like so much in love with. They are so worthy because they do what they claim. So today I'm going to show you one by one that why you all should have it in your wardrobe or in your makeup kit. So let's get started. So hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This side Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you about these products. So I'm starting one by one. Let's start with this Moi by Nika Matte Body Lotion. So friends, if you're having dry skin, if you're having normal skin, or even if you're having oily skin, this lotion, this body lotion is suitable for all skin type people. I am totally in love with this. Let me show you the texture. This is non-greasy, non-oily, gives you a satin finish, as well as this is like so smooth, so it's like a butter for your skin. I'm so happy with this. The best part, fragrance is long lasting. It just penetrates in your skin so beautifully and made your skin super soft. Beauties, I am in love with this product because this product gave me long lasting effect. The fragrance is long lasting, it is non-greasy, non-oily. This is very budget friendly, and one of these Nika product I'm totally in favor of. So this is the purchase, the product I'm happy buying. So friends, the next product is Plum Coconut Squalane Nutri Shine Hair Serum. So if you're having dullness, if you want shine, instant shine on your hair, if you're dealing with frizziness, dull and split ends, then you should go with this serum. So this is my happy purchase, I must say, and this product is totally worthy because it do what it says. So this product basically claims this will gonna give you shine with coconut and almond oil. This will gonna give you hair a bumpy look and will gonna control your frizz, smoothens and glossy to shine. So basically this is a glosser to your hair. This will gonna make your hair shiny, glossy and gives you a very soft and smooth hair. So it really does that. Even I'm using this product as a heat protector. I always use this product after washing my hair, taking 2 pumps of it, applying it all over my hair, on the length of my hair. Basically, beauties, never apply serum on the roots of your hair, on the scalp. No, never do that. Always apply hair serum on the length. So this is my happy purchase. I just bought it like randomly. I haven't planned to buy Plum serum ever. I just saw this product in must buy, so I ordered it and it turned out a very good purchase for me. So yeah, a big thumbs up for this product. Now my next product is from Pilgrim. This is 24 karat gold facial mask. And beauties, it does what it says. This product says this will gonna give you, it will gonna rejuvenate your face, giving you a brightness skin, forms your skin, natural glow and gives you a golden glow. So yes, it does that. Beauties, this is my go-to product, as I said. So like if I have to attend a party or have to go a special occasion in the evening and till afternoon I haven't done my cleanup or facial, now I was just thinking what to do next. So what I do, I washes my face with normal face wash. Then I took this mask. This is my facial mask. You have to take little amount of it, apply it, spread it evenly all over your face, and then just let it dry for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes wash your face with normal water and see the glow. This will gonna give you an instant glow. This is like an instant facial. This facial 24 karat gold facial mask you should have in your wardrobe. This is like an emergency kind of facial mask, I must say. So a big thumbs up for this, and yes, this is my happy product. This is like product which I am so happy with the purchase. Now the next one is my concealer. This is from Infallible L'Oreal. You know beauties, concealer is something you should have in your kit, and concealer hides everything. Even if you're not wearing foundation is not a must go thing. Just moisturize your face, take a little amount of concealer, apply it out on your under eye, on your temple, on the bridge of your nose, on the little bit on your chin, basically on your under eyes, beauties, and on your acne marks, or if you're having pimples, acne, just take little amount of this concealer, apply it, and this L'Oreal Paris Infallible concealer conceals so smoothly, like it hides everything. This is full coverage concealer. This is my happy purchase, and again I bought this by mistake. I have to buy another brand's concealer, so it was out of stock, so I decided like, okay, this time let's go with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and it turned out like a happy purchase for me. I'm so satisfied with this concealer, like I even can't tell you about this. This is something you should have. Beauties, I have tried MAC, Bobbi Brown, then Makeup Revolution and very good and top brands, but this L'Oreal Infallible have my heart, and trust me, this does what it claims. So again, this product is happy purchase for me, and this is totally full coverage. And the best part, this doesn't oxidize on your skin. And here I'm in the shade, where is the shade? Okay, 312 Amber. And it will not gonna give you dry under eyes, or it will not gonna make your skin cakey. This will give you a satin finish, as well as this will give you a dewy kind of thing. So I just love this product. Now the next is the tint. I love. I'm in love with this. So this is from Blue Nectar. Shupra Beetroot with ghee and shea butter. This is lip, eye and cheek tint. Beauties, this is the tint. I am like, this is my go-to tint. This will gonna give you amazing effect. This is made up of pure ghee. It claims it will gonna give you a natural pulpy cheeks, pulpy lips, and it will gonna give you a pinkish kind of tone. So yes, it does that. I always apply this. Even now I'm applying this, and this will gonna give you a dewy finish. So I just love the products who give me satin or dewy finish, because I don't like dryness and roughness and patches on my skin. So this is something I love. This is made up of ghee. It claims, it says this will gonna give you a smooth dewy effect after applying it. You can apply it on your lips, on your eye, on your cheeks. This is very smooth. It moisturizes your skin. It gives you a moisturized lips. So yes, it does that. So if you're searching for a good lip tint, instant lip tint, then go with this. It really helped me out. So this is my happy purchase. So beauties, last but not the least, this is Color Bar Strawberry Lip Balm. So I'm showing you this product because I haven't seen anyone using Color Bar Strawberry Lip Balm. This is so underrated, but this lip balm is something which will gonna give you a instant moisturized and soft lips within a second, I must say. So I tried this. Again, I bought this product like totally by mistake. I want to buy that another brand product, and I bought this one. I tried it and it turned out like so good, because this lip balm is so thick. It gives you a light pinkish shade. I love tinted lip balms. Even it is having colorless lip balm also. This one is the Strawberry Shine, and there is one more, I guess, and that is totally colorless. So this one is Strawberry Shine. It gives you a little bit of pink tint. And the main thing, beauties, this lip balm is so thick. It moisturizes your lip so deeply, and it has a long stay, which rarely I can see in lip balms, because lip balms, like, you have to reapply it every 1 hour or every 2 hours, but this lip balm stays up to 3 to 4 hours and without giving a retouch. So I just love this. So again, this product turned out like a happy purchase, and I'm going to buy all these products which I showed you right now again and again. These are something they made a place in my wardrobe, in my makeup kit, so they are going to be there forever. So beauties, hope you like this video. If you want me to make a more such video, just comment it in the comment section. I will gonna guide you that which product you should buy, which product you shouldn't be, because on my basis. But again, I want to tell you, beauties, if you want to try these products, you should try this product, but it maybe turn out good for you or not. That depends on you, on your skin type and what you want. So still, don't be like, rely on me that yeah, this is going to be this is going to be amazing for you too, or for me too also. But just don't rely that all these products will gonna work like 100% on you. No, it can't be. just go give it a try. Hope you like this, hope you love these products, because I'm totally happy with this purchase. So hope you have liked this video. Please comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe, and love you so much.